Hi everyone, and welcome to AzBytes. I'm Ty, and joining me today is my fabulous co-host John. In this series, we're going to explore different Azure technologies and show you how you can benefit in your business. Today, we're diving into modernizing SQL databases, whether that's Azure SQL or SQL Managed Instance or SQL MI as it's known. Ready, John?
Absolutely, Ty. Yeah, modernizing your data estate to Azure SQL or SQL Managed Instance can bring a whole host of benefits. So let's jump straight on in, right?
Perfect. So, what exactly is Azure SQL or SQL MI? Well, Azure SQL is a family of managed, secure, and intelligent SQL databases that provide the broadest SQL capabilities. SQL Managed Instance, or MI, on the other hand, is a fully managed SQL Server instance hosted on Azure, offering near 100% compatibility with the latest SQL on premises.
Yeah, that's right, Ty. SQL Managed Instance combines the best of SQL Server with the operational and financial benefits of an intelligent, fully managed service. So it does allow you to lift and shift your on-prem SQL Server estate applications into Azure with really minimal changes.
Now, let's talk about some of the technical benefits. One of the key advantages of modernizing to SQL, Azure SQL or SQL MI is the seamless integration with other Azure services. This means you can leverage the full power of Azure, of the Azure ecosystem, including advanced analytics, AI, and machine learning capabilities.
Yeah, and remember with SQL MI, you also get that built-in high availability and disaster recovery capability. So, ensuring that your applications are always up and running, even in the face of any unexpected issues. Plus, it offers automatic backups, patching, and updating, so you can focus on the core business rather than managing that infrastructure.
Exactly, John. Another benefit of modernizing to Azure SQL or SQL MI is cost savings. By moving to a managed service, you can reduce the total cost of ownership by eliminating the needs for expensive hardware and reducing your operational costs. You only pay for what you use, which can lead to massive significant savings.
No, exactly, Ty. I mean, it's the usual cloud economics, right? And additionally, Azure SQL, SQL MI instance, they offer flexible pricing options. So we can think of it as using pay as you go. We can think of it in terms of reserving that capacity and getting discounting. So it really allows you to optimize your cost based on usage patterns across your business, really getting that helping hand to help you manage your budget and allocate those resources a little bit more effectively.
Exactly. Another great benefit is enhanced security and compliance features. Azure SQL and SQL MI come with built-in security features such as data encryption, advanced threat protection, and compliance capabilities. This ensures your data is safe and meets compliance requirements, giving you the full peace of mind.
Yep, and let's not forget about scalability. So with Azure SQL and SQL MI, we can easily scale out our resources, whether that be up and down based on your needs or out and in. So meaning that you can really handle varying workloads without worrying really about any capacity constraints. So ensuring again that those applications can run smoothly all the time.
So, John, how do we get started with modernizing to Azure SQL or SQL MI?
Yeah, absolutely. Well, in reality, it's relatively straightforward. First, we what we'll need to really do is discuss those assets that you've got and assess your current SQL Server environment. Identify those databases that you actually do need to or want to migrate. Azure provides tools like the Data Migration Assistant to help you with this process. However, that has recently been deprecated in favor of Data Factory connectors and extensions. And what they do is they help essentially identify the current as is a state of your SQL Server infrastructure. And it'll offer things like intelligent right sizing and really other capabilities to move these workloads into Azure.
So once you've assessed your environment, you can use the Azure Data Factory services to migrate your databases to Azure SQL or SQL MI. The migration process should be seamless and can be done with minimal downtime, ensuring a very, very smooth transition.
Yeah, indeed. And additionally, Ty, as we mentioned earlier, Azure Data Factory can be a really valuable tool in that process because it can help you create, schedule, and orchestrate those data workflows, which really makes it easier to move and transform data from various sources to your Azure SQL databases. This can be particularly useful for complex data migration scenarios.
And so there you have it. Modernizing to Azure SQL and SQL MI can help you optimize performance, reduce costs, you get enhanced security, and scale your resources more efficiently. We hope you found this episode of AzBytes helpful and useful.
Yep, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more episodes where we explore different Azure technologies. And if you've got any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, please let us know in the comments below.
Thanks for watching, everyone, and we'll see you next time on AzBytes.
Bye.